Hello guys, it's JohnnyTime and I have a very important announcement. I don't know at what point you started following this channel, you're following me, JohnnyTime. In this channel, I'm sharing my experience and trying to give you, the viewer, the best value based on what I'm focused on. So in 2020, I got to know DeFi and I was excited so much by DeFi and DeFi strategies. So I created these video tutorials for you to explain you what is DeFi, how it works, how to take advantage of it, what kind of opportunities there are. So if you joined this channel back then in 2020 or 2021, you're probably subscribed because you saw amazing videos about how PancakeSwap work, how liquidity mining work, MasterChef, yield farming, different strategies, how to make yield on stable coins, ETH or Bitcoin, etc. Well, in 2022, DeFi became less interesting and I saw that there are so many hacks out there in the space, and I decided to dedicate my time and effort towards Web3 security, smart contract hacking, and auditing. Taking my experience in public speaking and education and simplifying complex subjects in cybersecurity, I dedicated this channel and all my effort towards smart contract hacking content. It was in a form of CDFs, tutorials, interviews, and I'm proud to say also that I created the smart contract hacking course, and we have more than 1,000 happy graduate students that took the course, enjoyed so much. We have an amazing, vibrant community and cool certificate that students are showcasing all over the internet and getting awesome opportunities, jobs, killing it in auditing contests, and much more. I'm trying to say that this channel is my platform to share value with you based on what I'm focusing on. And what I'm focusing on is being changed all the time. Of course, I'm not going to leave DeFi, and of course, I'm not going to leave smart contract auditing and hacking, and maybe I will have new hobbies and new expertise, and I would like to share those expertise with you, those tutorials, those tips and tricks. And now the question to be asked is, what am I focusing on now? What is this channel content going to be about? Well, you have a say also. Based on your preferences, I will also dedicate this content based on what you like and what you're interested in. I will create content that will be the most valuable, the most alpha content for you. So I'm still focused on Web3 security, which means that I'm going to publish so many valuable content for you in form of tutorials, cheats, hacks, capture the flags tutorials and walkthroughs, awesome interviews with the best people in the space, and I'm gonna share tons of knowledge in this YouTube channel, in social medias in general, and be sure that there are more courses coming out, amazing structured courses with hands-on exercises, just like the smart contract hacking course. So we have the Cairo hacking and developing course. So if you're into Starknet and Layer 2s and Cairo hacking, this course is perfect for you. We are working also on an entry-level course, Web3 Security Fundamentals, that will help people that come from traditional cybersecurity and traditional development to get into the industry, to the Web3 security industry, to get started. Entry-level course with everything they need, the best structured practical course also in the baking. And of course, how not, we're working on a Rust smart contract hacking and security course as well. So all of these are baking and in progress, and stay tuned because the Cairo hacking course is really getting momentum and it will be probably published soon. So this is Web3 security, but I've got to say that the DeFi is so freaking back. There are so many opportunities in DeFi right now, and I started deploying a lot of my crypto capital into DeFi protocols. I'm talking about 80% APR, 70% APR sometimes on stable coins, on quite safe strategies. My dollars are printing dollars. Also, I have long position on Bitcoin and Ethereum because I'm very bullish in the Web3 in general. I'm not just doing Web3 security because it's cool and it's good pay to do audits and courses, but I'm also bullish in the industry and I'm very positive about the impact that it's going to make in this world. That's why I'm also putting my money where my mouth is. So I'm also invested into Bitcoin and Ethereum, but so far I was PTSD'd and traumatized from the previous DeFi cycle. But now I'm kind of like getting over this PTSD and I started deploying more capital to safe strategies. So I'm creating crazy yields on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on stablecoins. And I want to share these strategies with you so you can also leverage them, and basically your money, your stablecoins, your Bitcoin and ETH can print money while you sleep. And it's a business, it's another business, cool passive income. The cool thing is that because I'm coming from these two backgrounds, from the DeFi background and the Web3 security background, my risk management process is different, right? When I look at a protocol or a blockchain to deploy capital to, I have a different outlook when I'm deciding whether to put my money into this protocol or not. So if you're following this channel, you will get all those DeFi strategies together with my risk assessment as Web3 security researcher. So you can rest assured that those strategies and protocols that you're deploying the money into are somehow reviewed by a Web3 security researcher that reads and eats smart contracts for breakfast. And that said, it means that I'm gonna publish so many cool DeFi videos. So if you are a Web3 security researcher that get money on the blockchain in USDC, or maybe you have exposure to Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can use these tutorials that will be published on this channel to get your money worked for you and make some passive income. So stay tuned for that. And another last thing that I wanted to ask you actually is recently I started to working on this super cool arbitrage MEV project with a team of ninjas, really crazy ninja developers. We are a team of 4 and we are doing so many cool stuff regarding arbitrage and MEV currently on the Phantom blockchain, but we're going to scale to more blockchains as well. We are building crazy stuff on Phantom right now with Foundry, with Hardhat, with JavaScript, with Solidity, with we have like crazy DevOps guy and everything is like on the cloud, and we have monitoring and logging and CI/CD process. So it's super cool. And I want you to tell me here in the comments below if this is something that you might be interested in about arbitrage and MEV. And if this is something that will be interesting for you, I will publish also tutorials and insights from our work that we are working right now on this project of like different cool things that we are building. Amazing stuff, really. Like I'm super excited. I don't have time in this video to describe what cool things we are developing and how it works. And it's like literally working at night and making money while we sleep because it's arbitrage and MEV and it's super cool. And if you want me to share more in this channel about these kind of subjects and create tutorials and insight about MEV and arbitrage, please let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to do that. If you stick so far, I'm proud of you. Thank you so much for watching this video, for being with me on this journey. Wherever you joined back then in DeFi summer or for smart contract security and hacking content. So thank you so much for watching these videos and enjoying from them and learning here with me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And if you're not subscribed, if somehow you got to this video and you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to share so much valuable content. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next one.